we are continuing on with our science picture book project. Okay. At this point, you should know what your subject topic is, so you can go ahead and put your topic here. If you already have your catchy short title idea, you could write out the whole title for your book. Alright? If you don't have a title idea yet, though, just put the name of your topic. So I'd write topic, and then in parentheses is where I'll put my title after I think about it. Don't actually put the word topic, write down your word topic. Okay? Today, we're moving on. We're going down here to 5-7. Alright? It says, before you start writing, let's make a list of some facts you already know. Each page in your book will need 1 to 2 sentences. I think on here it says 2 to 3. If you want to go to 3, that is absolutely okay with me. But because we're not at school and I'm not there to help you every day, if you want to just do 1 to 2, that's alright with me as well. Alright? Your book is 8 to 12 pages, so you'll need a total of 16 to 24 sentences. Write down facts you know below. These can be from your science notebook or the internet. Alright? So you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 of these little dots here. You probably will need more. You will need more. Alright? Here's the other thing that I want you to see. On your paper, this is the research page. Okay? You have to track, just like when you did Gallery Night, you have to track where your information comes from. Okay? So, if you are using a book to get your information, you will put that title of your book right here. Alright? If you are using a website, you will write down the name of the website right here. This section is super great for people who want to do vocab words. Alright? It's a great way to be like, I'm just going to give an example. Okay? Let's say I'm doing my project on ecosystems and biomes. So in my notebook, I need to go to my ecosystems section. Which is way back here. One moment, guys. Let me find it. It wasn't quite as organized as I thought. Alright, so start here. What is an ecosystem? So maybe I'm going to start in my notebook and I'm going to say biotic and abiotic material. And then maybe I'm like, ooh, those would be great vocab words, so I'm going to put them right here. And biotic are living things in an ecosystem. And abiotic are non-living things. And then I'm going to use these quotes because remember that means the same thing. And then maybe I want to put like an example. So maybe I'm going to put like a tree. And then maybe a non-living would be the sun. And I'm going to want to put that in my book. So I'm taking some notes. Okay? And then the next thing it says is, oh, maybe I actually am like, wow, this would be really fun to put in my book. I could make like a quiz where it could say, now you try. Look at the picture and decide what's abiotic and and biotic. So maybe I'm like, oh, this is a good idea. I'm going to put like a little game here. I'm going to put biotic, abiotic challenge. I'm like, I'm going to put a game inside my book. That's going to be so fun. Okay, and I'm researching and I'm writing down everything I can, and I started with everything in my notebook. And then I was like, well, I don't know everything, but I have this book at my house called Animal Habitat. So I'm going to put Animal Habitat. And I'm going to put the name of the author. Her name, let's pretend, is Susan. Last name Smith. I'm making this up if you can't tell. Okay, so I found this book, I read it at my house, I got a couple more facts, so it's like, fact 1, fact 2 from my book, and then I'm like, well, I know a lot, but I don't know everything. So then, I've done my notebook, I did some books at my house that I could find, or maybe you asked a parent, you got some other information, and now I'm like, well, now I'm going to go to the internet. Please don't go to the internet first. You have a lot of information in your science notebook, and you should be able to fill out probably half of this from your notebook. Okay? But now I'm going to go to the internet. So maybe I found this page, and it's called World Biomes. And so I'm like, all right, we got some bolded words, and we have some questions, and there's a lot of information. Oh, maybe I need a chart, so I'm going to look at this. Okay, well, this is like an activity. I don't really want to do an activity, so maybe I'm going to go back to biomes. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to be reading about it. I'm going to be clicking on it, and I'm going to write down this website. Okay, so if I go back up to the top, this website is called World Biomes, and then it's Kids Do Ecology. So right here, so I'm going to put Kids Do, and I might run out of space. I'm just going to keep going. Ecology. Alright, so that information goes right here. World Biomes, Kids Do Ecology, and that's where you want to put it. Okay? You should have at least, the minimum, at least 16 facts, because you need 16 to 24 sentences. Okay? So, lots of facts. They don't have to be really big facts. They can be small facts. But you need enough facts to where you can take this information to write your story. Alright? So, starting with your notebook, then going on to maybe some books, then the internet, try to find enough facts. If you don't get this all done today, you can work on it some more tomorrow, but get as much done as you can. Again, if you don't have a topic yet, you can't do this, so please make sure that you got your topic approved yesterday, and then you're going to be able to start researching. If you have any questions on research, if you get stuck or you need help, either email me or ask a question, and I'll see what I can do to help you find some good resources. Alright?